guys, this is Jamil from Mainstream Digital Marketing Agency, and I wanted to introduce you to a website created by my friend Chris Walker, Legiit.com, Legiit.com. And what it is basically, I don't know if any of you are familiar with Konker, but Konker is gone, and that was pretty much very similar, a marketplace for digital services. And it is pretty cool because you can actually, if you can buy or sell services in there. And it's cool because you can, if you are a designer, logo designer, infographics, you can pretty much find anything in here. But the website is fairly young. It's only a couple of months old, if I believe so, and I'm doing this now at the end of March 2018. So at this time, the video that I'm making it is fairly new. So there's not a lot of competition in different categories. And also people are very excited. The vendors are very excited. So if you're looking for digital marketing services, you're going to find people here that are pretty reputable. People that you may have encountered other places, even in Fiverr, are starting to come here. And just to do a plug-in for my own services, I'm a lead expert. I get leads for different digital marketing agencies and social media agencies and whatnot. Also, legal industries and other industries as well. But these are two of my gigs here. This is SSL lacking, and I have 3 different options. One is just verified emails, because number one, the one thing that if you're going to do cold email, you have to do is make sure that you're only emailing at least 90-something% has to be to good emails. And if you have ever purchased a list, if you have ever done mass emailing, or even if you just email 10 people, you know that bouncing emails create problems with your domain. The domain starts becoming untrustworthy. And if people are feel that you're a spammer, they'll also put your domain in a bad spot. So we just want to make sure that number one, you're emailing to the right people. So that's the number one step I do to every lead that I sell. That alone, that takes time, and it's something that we have a proprietary process to do that. And then another option is actually, because, for example, as a lead, you need to know the hosting and actually the website. If you just want to work with WordPress, you don't want a bunch of leads that also include Wix and include other platforms that you may not want to work with on the SSL possibility. Because, for example, if you're just turning them into Cloudflare, you kind of want to do WordPress because there's something, a plugin that you can easily adopt and you're done with. Or you may not, but there's also some hosting that do not allow third-party SSL certificates, such as iPage. So you may want to know those things. So we do have an option for that. And then we also have an option for helping you create the email template, helping you email the leads, and just basically take care of the whole account, give you daily reports, and you just get the leads without having to do any of the grunt work at all. And we also have that option. So if you're interested, by the time you watch this, there'll probably be more than these, but these are the 2 that I have. There are also some friends of mine that have other options, and you can also look at those. This is from Alan, a good friend of mine. He's also very quality minded person that knows his stuff. And so there's a lot of different options here. So I'm going to leave the description box. I'm going to leave the link where you can you can actually, it's an affiliate link, I'm not gonna lie. And hopefully you like the program. It's absolutely free to log in. It's absolutely free to create an account, to create a gig. You have nothing to lose. All right. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any successes that you have achieved with Legiit. I'd love to hear your comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.